Altadena was one of the last very simple, quiet towns in Los Angeles County. My wife and I, we were looking for a place to put our kids in school, and Altadena was the community. We've been traveling back and forth every day for the past 10 years at least. January 7th, 2025 was my birthday, and it was also a very infamous day. It was the day that fires ravaged across LA. Here in Altadena, 6,000 homes were burned down. It really gave me pause. I had to think about whether or not I wanted to stay. Rebuilding is about not necessarily replacing what you had, but thinking about what the future could be. A lot of the homes are still gone because it takes a long time to build, but with this one was done in 5 months. And just walking in, it feels sturdy, it feels strong, it feels like a home. The material isn't damaged at all.
Yeah, this will resist.
So you can just paint it.
Yeah.
Wow. The future is bright. These were places for the community. Hopefully, we'll be able to continue that kind of legacy here.